Let's learn fractions with Ren and Rose. What is a fraction? A fraction represents part of a whole. Let's see in detail. Look at the cake they baked. This is one whole cake. When Mom cut the cake into two, it became two equal parts. Each part is called half and is written as 1/2. When Mom cut the parts again into halves, it became 4 equal parts. Each part is called quarter and is written as 1/4. When Mom placed one piece of the cake on a plate, there are 3 parts left. These are called 3/4 and is written as 3/4. These parts of a whole is called fraction. Let's look at this. This is one whole. When we cut it into two, it becomes 2 halves. When we cut it across, it becomes 4 quarters. When we remove one of the quarter, remaining is called 3 quarters. Let's find the half of a group of objects. There are 4 balls, so half of it is 2 balls. Here, there are 2 halves. What's quarter of this group? There are 4 balls, so quarter of it is 1 ball. What's 3/4 of this group? There are 4 balls, so 3/4 of these are 3 ball. Now let's find fraction of a number. What's half of 8? To help us find the answer, let us draw 8 balls. The question is, what's 1/2 of 8? This means we have to divide the balls into 2 groups. Now looking back at the question, it says 1/2. This means we have to count the number of balls in the first group. There are 4 balls in the first group, so 1/2 of 8 is 4. In this way, we can find quarter of a number. What's quarter of 12? First, let's draw 12 balls. Now divide it into 4 groups. Next, we count the number of balls in the first group. There are 3 balls in group 1, so a quarter of 12 is 3. Can we try to do 3/4 of a number? What's 3/4 of 16? First, let's draw 16 balls. Now divide it into 4 groups. Next, we count the number of balls in 3 groups. There are 12 balls in 3 groups, so 3/4 of 16 is 12. So fraction is when we divide a whole into smaller parts. The number on the top of the line is called numerator. It tells us how many equal parts of a whole are taken. The number below the line is called denominator. It tells about the total number of equal parts.